To configure remote commands, first ensure your alarms have the necessary settings in the Account Administrator module, specifying the brand, model, and available remote commands. Navigate to the Remote Commands tab within the account settings to add different commands you want visible in SmartPanics. Customize each command by choosing its name and the icon displayed in the application, like arming or disarming the alarm or activating the siren. SmartPanics transmits these commands to your SoftGuard server, which then relays them to the alarm panel. Most modern alarm panels have remote commands integrated, especially those with key switch zones. If your alarm panel doesn't natively support remote commands, consider installing a relay board to add this functionality. Should you need personalized assistance, feel free to connect with us through our support center. We're here to help.